Hi, I'm Keen Kobinson Tafawa, and here today I have,
Hi, I'm Jarvin Mabuti.
and our third member Elijah can't make it today, but it'll just be us two. And for our NeuroMaker hand, we were focusing on wrist improvements.
So, after looking for possible ways to improve the NeuroMaker hand, we came up with multiple ideas, and like Keen said, they all focus on the wrist. For one idea we had was to move the motors in the hand into the forearm into the back of the hand. However, that would make the hand too heavy.
Another idea we had was to make the motors move along with the hand. However, the problem with that is that it wouldn't solve the wrist problem, that would just turn the entire forearm at once. And our last idea that we decided to go with, and we thought was the best, was to use a ball-like bearing in the wrist so it can move.
So we made a prototype to make sure it actually works. The prototype that we did make is supposed to go into the wrist area like so, with the two rods inserting into the palm and forearm so all three pieces connect.
We used two magnets in our demonstration to allow the attachment to spin around, giving the hand more positions. However, this is only to show what we're talking about. If we were to actually do this, we would not use any magnets or styrofoam balls or duct tape or chopsticks. We would use an actual bearing. And to demonstrate how it moves, we have a video here. As you can see, because of the magnets and the duct tape, it allows the one half, the top half, to move left and right, and the bottom half to stay static where the forearm would be.
Over here on the side, show the possible positions the hand can do with the wrist attachment. However, the few problems we do have is that the wrist can only go side to side, and the strings that puppet the fingers may be too long or too short.
Some solutions we thought of to fix these problems is to make the motors turn more so that the strings would still be able to move the fingers. So when it moves left or right, it won't be constrained. So example, if the hand were to move to the left, the pinky wouldn't be constrained and only move a little bit. So when the motors turn more, it can still move all the way into a fist like so. And our second idea to fix the problem of it only moving left and right is to add a roll pitch mechanism, which would make it still move left and right and forward and backwards. So this would also presumably replace our ball bearing idea.
Thank you for listening to our presentation, and we hope you have a wonderful day.